Hey YouTube, it's me, Russ. Pet playlists from Spotify. Maybe you heard about this on the news lately. I'm a big fan of Spotify. I love Spotify. My wife and I get on Spotify and we're like, okay, how do you do it? Right? There's a lot of news stories about it. You know, you search pet playlists on the app in your phone and you get all sorts of weird stuff that it's not like the news story. So I was a little bit frustrated. Went on the laptop here, did some searches, and found this. So it makes sense that you would access it through a computer, right? Or your smart TV or Roku or whatever you use that has the Spotify app. But what I found is you got to put the URL in, all right? So it's pets.byspotify.com or spotify.com/pets, and that's how we were able to access this screen. And basically what you do is you set up a Spotify playlist for whatever animal you have, and we have a lot. We have a bird, a lizard, cats. That's Kalean. Anyway, there's one of our cats, and of course we have Gunnar, our three-legged wonder dog, and a couple more cats, and that's kind of what's going on here. A lot of pets. Which reminds me, I used to work in a machine shop where you couldn't wear headphones, right? Because of the nature of the work we did. And so there was a guy there that was a little country, right? There's another guy that was a little metal, you know. There's me, and then there's a classic rock guy, you know. So everybody had a day where they got to listen to their own music, which is kind of like our house, I suppose, with this here technology that the pets are going to have to take turns on whose playlist is playing while we're at work or whatever, right? All right, so here we go on the browser. You click the button, loading. There's a hamster kind of spinning around. You got to pick your pet. We don't have a hamster. We got a bird. We got a lizard, not an iguana. Cat, dog. So we've got a pretty good spectrum to choose from. So let's do one for Gunnar. Dogs are the most popular pet, I guess. That's why we got a dog in the middle. So on this screen, they're going to ask you a little more about your pet. Relaxed or energetic. Gunnar's pretty chill. We'll put him down here around the relaxed area. There you go. And you get to see, show how relaxed is he. Kind of go up here. Let's see, what does he do? No, he's still relaxed. So anyway, put it down here in relaxed. Click next. And shy or friendly. Gunnar's pretty friendly. Put him out here like that. Look at him. Well, he's got 3 legs, so he's not doing that. But he's pretty friendly. Lastly, apathetic or curious. I think he's about middle of the road. Don't you think, hon? Yeah, he's about middle of the road when it comes to... He could give or take, you know? He goes with the flow. So, let's see that face. Your pet's name. I guess you can add a picture of your pet, too, right here. If you have a picture in your computer or your phone. Still not sure how to do this on the phone. But on the big display here, that's how you do it. Gunnar. And there's my Spotify playlist picture. Here's your playlist. So now it's created Gunnar's playlist, and I have to stop here to not get tagged for copyright. So there you go. Created a playlist for Gunnar. First song was Uncle Crackers. It's good to be me. You gotta admit, you gotta envy your dog once in a while in life, right? And that's how it works. So it pulls up the Spotify app, but yeah, I went through the website here. There's Gunnar's playlist. Listen now. This puts you on the app, but this is through the browser. So we did Dante the lizard. We made his playlist, which is very metal, by the way. Dante likes the metal. But yeah, it's pretty easy. It's fun. Pets.by, B-Y, Spotify.com is how you access these screens and how you set it up. That's how we figured it out. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching. Hey, subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up if this helped you in your life. And thank you, Spotify, for creating this technology that will help humans and pets all over the world, I'm sure. And subscribe to our channel and click on some of our other pet-related content. And a big thanks to the creators of the music in this video, Midnight North. Check them out here on Spotify as well. Midnight North, thanks. Thanks to Spotify. Thanks to the pets of the world who love music. Later.